Hey, it's just Sam here from Sensational. Today, I'm going to do a really interesting look with this Chrome Express gel, which is blue, just like my hair. So I know what you guys are thinking, it's bluey green, so I do need to update my hair. And I actually went to my best friend's house yesterday, who is my hairdresser, and she pretty much does my hair whenever I tell her to. And the crack is that I'm kind of considering what hair color should I go for next. So if you guys have any suggestions for me on what would maybe look really cool, maybe pop them in the comments below with the color heart of whatever color you think will suit me. But other than that, we are raising awareness today for an organization called Jeans for Genes. And what they do is they raise money for families and children who suffer with genetic disorders. The amazing thing is that they've so far raised 35 million, which is absolutely, I could not believe it when I read up about it and when I read into these different facts and figures with them. So wear jeans, change lives. I'm going to start with my prep work and I'm going to just buff away and make the shape that I desire. So we are obviously using the Express ones today and the Chrome. So you can buy them individually in Boots or Sensational online. So it's really easy to get your hands on. The great thing about it is that you don't need to use any base coat and you just go ahead and use the top coat right at the end to seal it all in place. If you do need a close-up on exactly what you need to do for the prep work, we actually have a video exactly step by step, and that will be linked down in the description bar below. And yeah, I'm really excited to see this because chromes actually are one of my favorite polishes. I like designs. I have been doing a lot of designs lately with my fellow friend Piera, who is our nail expert. But I must say, chrome is just an easy go-to kind of polish for me, especially when you want to kind of be a bit more glam, as the summer never came here in England and it appears that it just is never going to happen. So unfortunately for us Brits, we're just going to have to wait till next year, or maybe hopefully save up enough money to go to the Bahamas and take your nail kit so you look nice and fly. So I've done all my buffing now and I'm going to go ahead and use my gel cleanser and my cleansing wipes. It's good to mention that the Express polishes actually last for 10 days. So it's good for if you want to kind of change your look up after 10 days, and it is slightly thicker, the formula, to the originals. So just keep that in mind, and it's just super quick and easy to kind of use. The other thing to mention is that after cleansing, I'm going to go ahead and put 2 nice layers over my nails and cure that. I'm the black sheep in the Sensational Express gel. I am just currently doing the perfect method on how to apply any kind of polish. So the objective is to use 3 strokes if you can, and obviously you also need to cap your end of your nails and evenly coat it. So I am intending on doing 2 coats because 1 coat isn't quite that, but it is a lot thicker, this formula. If you need to see exactly how to do your nails like a professional, or as professional as can be, go ahead and check out the link down below. We've made a perfect video just for you. So I find the best way to get the perfect application, in all honesty, is like anything in life, practice makes perfect. Having the right tools and the right equipment obviously makes your journey a lot quicker and easier, but if you do a whoopsie like I've just done, so as you can see I've done a whoopsie here, we can just use our cuticle stick and our cleansing wipe just to clean it off. So you can do that before you actually cure the polish, because it doesn't set until you cure it. So that's the perfect, amazing thing that I love the most about gel polishes, is that it's a lot easier on you and friendlier on the person that might not be a pro at polishes. And now, as I've done all my nails, apart from my thumb, which I leave always last to do my 2 thumbs together, I'm going to go ahead and cure it. So let's go ahead. So let's go ahead with our second coat, and same again, get that precise application. Make sure you cap all your nails because otherwise they will strip and chip a lot quicker, and we do not want that. So I find as well, just like when you're doing your mascara on your eyes, you go dead quiet, your mouth is wide open like a crazy lady, and the concentration is a real thing, I'll tell you that now, guys. As I have evenly coated my nails twice with I Am the Black Sheep, I'm gonna go ahead and use my Sensational Chrome Gel Manicure Powder in blue. With the applicator that comes with the chrome powder, so let's go ahead and do this. So the secret to it, I found, is the best way to do it is apply some of the powder on your little applicator. You just want to go ahead and buff it nicely into the nails. Don't worry about getting any on your skin because we can clean that up later on. So as you can see, that is applying super beautifully. So the secret to it is having a gentle, kind hand and just voila. As you can see, we've got a load of residue. Don't panic, we'll clean it up right at the end. Once you have evenly applied the chrome powder and you are satisfied with the effect, you want to go ahead and use your clear top coat just to seal it all in place and then cure it for half the time. So let's go and do that. So same method, just want to evenly apply throughout the entire nail, and also cap your nails as well, your ends, just like so. This colour literally reminds me of mermaids. I love chromes. I just can't get over chromes. They never seem to surprise. No, they never fail to surprise me. Gosh, Samantha, what is going on? But yeah, no, they never fail to surprise me with how beautiful they are. I don't know if I've ever said this before. I normally say that I like the unicorn chrome, but I think I found my new favourite, and it's got to be blue. Don't try and say, people, that it is a phase about blue and blue craziness, because it's not. I think blue is here to stay, and I think I'll always have some room in my heart for a bit of blue. So we have evenly coated our nails with the chrome powder and sealed it in with our top coat. So the next step is to use our gel cleanser in junction with our gel pad. So let's go ahead and do that. So what it'll do, it'll get rid of any tackiness, if there's any tackiness, and clear up the nail from any extra glitter that we don't want there, chrome glitter. Also, if you find that you have any residue still left over, don't hesitate to go and just wash your hands with a bit of soap and water, and you should be good to go with some hand cream after. So as you can see, I've got rid of all the residue and we are all clean and tidy. I've gone ahead and washed my hands and put some lotion on, and now I'm good to go for the rest of my day. So this is our final look with the blue chrome. Let me know what your thoughts are, what your favourite chrome is, how you got on with it, and what hair colour I should go next. Make sure you comment down below, and hope to see you next time. See ya! I've done all my buffing and now I'm going to go ahead there. What is wrong with me? Okay, 1, 2, 3.